course, the first vowel in my language is A, and it makes the short A sound, which is, if you didn't know, ah. Used in words like cat and hat. It is used in words like radir, which is father in my language, or words like grard, which is grand in my language. The next vowel is the long E, it just says its name, E, and in my language it's used in words like riyar, which is fear, or modir, which is mother. The next one is O, which makes a short O sound, so it goes ah, or like, no, yeah, ah, it's fine. And it is used in words like gol, which is cool, or words like orarg. And you don't say the E at the end. I'll touch on that in a second. The next vowel in the language is the short U sound, so it goes An example of the word is urdir, which means under, or uldoimad, which means ultimate. Sound is that funny little symbol you see right there, and it makes the sound It's used in French quite a bit, I think. I used to take French, I don't now, so I don't entirely remember. And it replaces I, so there's no I sound in this language. I and Y make the same sound. It is used in words like oin, which means yes, or words like dol, which means chill. The next lesson will be on glottal stops, because in my language those are extremely confusing and have a few separate rules of their own. So I hope you actually enjoyed this one, and, you know, you didn't get mad at my stupid voice. And I'll see you next time.